Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a highly anticipated upgrade to DJI's popular compact gimbal camera. While nothing has been officially confirmed, leaks and insider reports suggest some exciting improvements that could make this a must-have device for vloggers, content creators, and on-the-go filmmakers. If these rumors hold, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be a game-changer, bringing better usability, an enhanced camera system, and a few significant refinements without reinventing the wheel. A bigger and better design. One of the most noticeable changes rumored for the Pocket 4 is its size. Reports indicate that DJI is slightly increasing the body dimensions, with the device expected to weigh around 190 grams. This minor increase in weight appears to be necessary to house an upgraded 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, a substantial improvement over the 2-inch display found on the Pocket 3. The display resolution is rumored to be 480 by 800 pixels, with a peak brightness of 800 nits, making it easier to use in bright outdoor settings. If DJI has also improved the durability of the rotation mechanism, this could result in a much smoother and more reliable user experience. Ergonomic enhancements for comfort. Comfort and usability seem to be another focus of this upgrade. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a new grip texture and an improved button layout, designed to make the camera more comfortable for extended use. While this might not sound like a major change on paper, small refinements like these can significantly impact long filming sessions, making handheld operation much easier and reducing hand fatigue. Camera upgrades, bigger sensor, better low-light performance. As always, camera improvements are at the heart of any new DJI release. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, a configuration that should enhance image quality, particularly in low-light environments. The ISO range is expected to be 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, which could provide greater flexibility when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, DJI is reportedly introducing 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording capabilities, allowing for superior dynamic range and more professional-grade post-production color grading. Enhanced video capabilities. 4K at 240 FPS and advanced processing. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is 4K recording at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capability of the Osmo Pocket 3. For action-packed shots, high-speed footage, or creative slow-motion sequences, this could be a major selling point. This boost in frame rates is likely made possible by a new, more powerful processor, expected to enhance workflow efficiency, real-time HDR previews, and overall image processing speed. If true, the Pocket 4 might offer a noticeably faster, smoother experience when handling large video files. Improved autofocus and active track 7.0. Autofocus performance has been a point of contention with previous Osmo Pocket models, and it seems that DJI is addressing this with face detection autofocus and eye tracking technology. If implemented effectively, this could significantly enhance subject tracking when vlogging or filming fast-moving objects. Additionally, leaks suggest an upgrade to Active Track 7.0, promising more responsive and accurate subject tracking, potentially making it easier to lock onto and follow moving subjects without losing focus. Battery life and faster charging. Battery life has always been a crucial factor for portable cameras, and reports suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 might offer up to 200 minutes of continuous recording time, compared to the 166 minutes of the Pocket 3. Another significant improvement could be faster charging speeds. While the Pocket 3 took approximately 180 minutes for a full charge, leaks indicate that the Pocket may fully charge in just 25 minutes with an upgraded 30W fast charging system. Improved heat management is also rumored, which could allow for longer recording sessions without the risk of overheating. Next-gen stabilization for smoother footage. Stabilization has always been a defining feature of the Osmo Pocket lineup, and DJI appears to be refining this further. The Pocket 4 is expected to combine its traditional 3-axis mechanical gimbal with enhanced electronic stabilization, making handheld footage even smoother and reducing micro-jitters in more demanding shooting conditions. For vloggers, travelers, and action videographers, this means even better shake-free recording, whether you're walking, running, or filming dynamic scenes. Price and release date. What to expect? Pricing is always a crucial consideration, and early leaks suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will start at $699 for the standard version, with a creator combo option priced at $799. This marks a slight increase over its predecessor, but considering the rumored upgrades, it could still offer strong value for content creators. As for the release date, industry insiders predict a late 2026 or early 2027 launch, following DJI's typical 3-year upgrade cycle for its Osmo Pocket lineup. However, this remains speculation until an official announcement from DJI. Final thoughts. Is it worth the upgrade? If these leaks are accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 looks to be a refined and more capable camera rather than a complete overhaul. The improvements in sensor size, low light performance, autofocus, stabilization, and slow motion recording all point to a more polished and professional tool for vloggers and filmmakers. The big question is, are these refinements enough to justify an upgrade? If you're coming from the Osmo Pocket 3, you'll need to weigh whether the improved sensor, autofocus, tracking, and battery life are worth the investment. For those using older models or new buyers, the Pocket 4 could be a fantastic entry into DJI's high-quality compact gimbal camera ecosystem. What do you think? Will you be upgrading to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 when it launches? Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest tech news and reviews.